to the Rainbow Radiothon, sponsored by Giant Eagle and Fifth Third Bank on 102.1 WDOK. Help us help Cleveland's kids at 216-983-5437.
Going to give you 5 more minutes to be a miracle maker and qualify for our cool little prize package we're giving away. This is a power hour. We're going to wrap it up here. It takes $20 a month to Rainbow Babies and Children's Hospital to qualify for a very cool football package that includes Browns tickets for the Carolina game. You got your down on the field.
Pre-game field passes?
And I say stay on the field. You want to stick around for the whole game, just stay down there on the field.
Heck, maybe they'll throw you in the game.
Darn right.
That's
here. At least
right.
you could do that.
You get a Browns polo and a Browns T-shirt?
So you're in the qualification for that. We're looking for 40. We just have a few more to go, so if you want to get in on that, that is.
Great holiday gift, great birthday present, great anniversary gift.
216-983-KIDS is the number to call. Now then, first off, we have a doctor in front of us, and who is the doctor in the house there?
The doctor is Dr. Jonathan Ross.
Hello, Dr. Jonathan Ross. How are you doing today?
Good afternoon. I'm doing all right. How are you?
Very good. We have one of your current patients or future patients on the phone.
Well, it's a future patient. Actually, it's the mom of a future patient. Ann Harmody is on the line. Good afternoon, Ann.
Good afternoon, Terry.
Hi, Mrs. Harmody. How you doing?
Hi, Dr. Ross. How are you?
Good.
This is interesting because you keep following this doctor wherever he goes. He's that good, you think. So what makes this doctor so good here, Ann?
Well, I'm originally from Cleveland, but my daughter Kelly was actually born in Seattle. So when we were transferred back to Cleveland, we were looking for doctors, and of course, Dr. Ross was at the top of the list because he was recommended by the folks in Seattle when we moved here he would be he's the best pediatric urologist. So when he left the other hospital last year, we followed Dr. Ross over to UH. He's that good.
And what is he going to be doing for you?
Well, he takes care of my daughter Kelly, who has spina bifida, and one of the side effects of spina bifida is a spastic bladder. And Kelly suffers from incontinence, and it's an ongoing daily thing that we have to keep up with, and she's got a routine about it. But Dr. Ross takes care of her urological care, and we see him once or twice a year. And actually, I'm going to see him next week, so I'm sure I'll hear all about this next week. And he's just that good. He's so good with the kids. He's very good with the parents. He takes the time. His bedside manner is impeccable. Kelly eventually will need surgery one day. We know it. But, as I was telling Terry earlier, one of the things that's great about Rainbow is that you know that you are in good hands and in good care when you are there. And I feel like, this whole Rainbow Radiothon is really just about paying it forward because you never know when it's going to be your time and you're going to need to utilize the services that Rainbow offers.
What a nice compliment to you, Dr. Ross, that someone's is going to follow you here. That's always nice to hear, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a good thing it's radio, so they can't see me blushing. But I really do. I do appreciate the kind words, and it would not be possible to deliver this kind of care without being at a place like Rainbow that has the support and the people and the institutional history and culture of just taking tremendous care of children, from the nurses to the folks in the operating room to the people down in radiology. I mean, anywhere you go in this institution, the people there have a real pride and compassion for kids and what they're doing, and it's really a tremendous place to be able to take care of these kind of children.
We keep talking about obviously the families hunt out Rainbow for across the country to get this kind of care. We forget that the doctors hunt out a place like Rainbow Babies and Children's Hospital to work, because why? What is it about this place for you?
Well, it's the same thing I said. I mean, there's a couple things. There's a huge cultural history here of taking care of children, and so it's really, you can't invent that overnight. If you build a new children's hospital or a new facility, I mean, there's just a huge tradition here of providing this kind of care to kids. And there's a huge commitment on the larger institution area. The University Hospital Health System is hugely committed to Rainbow and taking care of children, and getting that kind of support to be able to have the facilities and the material that you need to provide that kind of care is really important.
Well, thank you so much, Doctor, and good luck, Ann, with your daughter and the upcoming surgery and all that's going on with you here at Rainbow Babies and Children's Hospital.
And don't forget the appointment next week.
Yeah, right. He's a very busy man. Very busy man. Thank you so much.
I thought he was going to say, don't forget to call 216-983-5437.
Well, he's not a trained professional like you, Jim. That's right. And please call 216-983-KIDS. It's Rainbow Radiothon on 102.1 WDOK.